Up here at Top Notch Customs, man, with my boy. Just up here chilling, man, seeing what he got going on. Let's see what he got going on, man. If y'all know where he at, he in Swansea, Illinois. Right across the street from the Hooks up in the Hooks gas station. He do U-Hauls and everything else. Like if you need a car wrapped, anything, tinted windows, come to Top Notch. Top Notch Customs. Yeah. I'm going to see what he got going on though. From my boy shop, Top Notch Customs. Widebody Scatty. He do window tinting, he do wraps, he do everything, man. Over here on the east side and located in Swansea. All this wrapping stuff. Yep, tint stuff. Need anything wrapped, come holler at my boy, man. He got the Scatty in here, he tinting it. Just kind of put a holler at him for a minute. See what he had going. Run up on the Scatpack. I mean, that's Scatpack 392, maybe. My bad. Getting that tint on that joint. It's got that purple. 392. Not a Scatty. I thought it was a Scatty. Bremo. Scatty. This purple nasty.